and welcome back to my channel. So as the title of the video says, this video is about a book review which I wanted to do since a long time because I got a lot of requests on my Instagram to make a review of this book, and this is quite a popular book right now, and because of the lockdown I had got this opportunity to read a lot of books, one of which is Ikigai. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So this book is by Hector Garcia and Francis Miralles, and it's one of the international bestseller, and it is a very small book which has only 9 chapters, and if you are a fast reader you can finish it in only 2 to 3 days, and if you sit for one whole day, I think you can finish it even in one day. So yeah, it is a very quick read. The word Ikigai is derived from 2 Japanese words, Iki and Gai. Iki means to live and Gai means the reason. So it is basically the reason for your existence or the reason for your being, or you can also say that what the purpose of your life is, that is called Ikigai. According to author, they say that we all have Ikigai inside us, and some or the other way we are always trying to search for it, and those people who are happy and content with their life have found their Ikigai. So finding our Ikigai means finding meaning to our life, the purpose of our existence, and also to decide what we truly want from our life. And especially in this situation, we often feel lost, and we often doubt ourselves, and we often don't know which path we are gonna go because we don't know about the future. So if you are in this situation, I think you must read this book. So this is the diagram which will help you find your Ikigai. So there are 4 circles, as you can see. First is what you love, second says what you are good at, third says what you can be paid for, fourth says what the world needs. So what you love and what you are good at will help you find your passion, and what you are good at and what you can be paid for is your profession. What you can be paid for and what the world needs is your vocation, and what the world needs and what you love is your mission. So in between all this is your Ikigai. So this book focuses mainly on the days when authors they visit a mysterious land in Japan. It is also known as Island of Longevity, and the place name is Ogimi, which is in Okinawa province in Japan. What they found there was quite mysterious, and what they found is the land which they visited had the highest number of people with highest life expectancy than the rest of the population in the world. They also found that they were not only the longest living people, but they were also the happiest people. So they will go and try to find out what their food habits are and what they do for living every day and how their lifestyle is, their workout routine and stuff. So they interviewed more than 100 centenarians, in which they found that their lifestyle was quite different than the rest of the world. First thing they believed in was that to never rest or to never retire. So even after they crossed their retirement age, they always believed in keeping themselves busy and to engage themselves in somewhat other work. Second thing was that their diet, they had a strict diet in which they included more of fruits and vegetables in their diet than the rest of the population in Japan also. And third thing was that they had a strict workout routine. It also focuses in various kind of exercises or yoga or workout routines. And the fourth thing was that they didn't believe in multitasking. They say that if you multitask, your productivity will reduce. It also tells us to worry less, to be more optimistic and positive, and they also tell us to not hurry in any work, to be calm while doing anything. So what this book basically tells us is that those people who live in that island have found their Ikigai. That is the reason of their longest and also the happiest life. So yeah, it focuses in finding our Ikigai also. So I want to recommend this book to everyone who are going through a rough phase in their life and who are quite lost and don't know what their Ikigai is, what their meaning of life and what their purpose of life is, and also to people who want to have a better lifestyle, be it a food habit or a new workout routine. If you want to do anything or start anything new, I think you should read this book because it's going to help a lot in this case, because it has helped me as well. After reading this book, I have started a new workout routine. I have started doing yoga every day, and also I have changed my eating habits as well. So yeah, I have found my Ikigai. Please read to find yours. So this is all about the book, and to know more you must read. And if you are reading this book, please don't forget to let me know in the comment section how your experience was. And if you find my review helpful, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up and also like and share with your friends. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.